Just a short little video to show you a master padlock I got. It has Champ on the front there. On the back, the serial number has no letter before it, which I find unusual, and it's patent pending. There isn't a patent number on it. So I'm wondering if this is one of the first ones made. But more unusual about it is a 4-number combination, unlike any other master padlock I've ever had. And it does have 4 wheels, unlike the other padlocks that have the wheel attached to the dial and then the other 2 wheels. This one has 4. Now I'm going to attempt to show you this. It's a little difficult to do it. Okay, there's wheel 1, wheel 2, wheel 3, and wheel 4. So if anyone out there has any information about this, my Google foo did not come up with anything. I would greatly appreciate it.